Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. In this tutorial, I will show you how to record video from the front and rear camera at the same time on your iPhone 17. Apple has added a new video recording feature in iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Pro that allows users to record video from the front and rear cameras of their device simultaneously. This lets you record what you are seeing using the rear camera and capture your reaction using the front camera. You can easily use this feature through the stock camera app. To record with dual capture, simply launch the camera app and switch to the video recording mode. Now tap on the menu button from the top right corner. It is made up of 6 dots. Now from the menu that opens, tap on the dual capture option. This will bring up a small window for the front camera preview while you will see the footage from the rear camera on the full screen. Just hit the record button to start recording. Once you are done recording the video, simply hit the record button once again. After this, you can find the recorded footage in the Photos app of your device. So this is how you can use the dual capture feature of the camera app to record video from the front and back cameras of your iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Pro. If you found this tip helpful, then be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.